Ginebra ang naghahabol dito sa fourth and final quarter. They're down by 6 big points. And that was a near steal by Marvin Cruz. Neither team in the penalty.
Well, you might wonder kanina kung bakit pinasok si Sunday Salvacion. One of the guys that hasn't come back actually is Ronald Tubid, and I believe may naramdaman daw sa bewang ito kanina, nabangga ni Steven Thomas, and that's probably why he wasn't fielded once again.
This is going to be a jump. Alex Cresano. Kinagra parang bata itong si Arwin Santos, who probably weighs maybe half of what Alex Cresano weighs.
And a little UFC action on the floor as well.
Konting grappling.
Pero kung nakita mo kanina, sayaw ni Alex Cresano nung halftime, ha? Now that's a tough possession para sa Barangay Ginebra. A lot of timeouts were wasted there by both teams, and they had a chance to score. They were looking to cut that lead down to 4. Now it stands at 6, and now Air 21 has a chance to push it up to 8.